Los Alamos, do you know where I am?
Yeah, not in reality. If you give yourself almost a 10 in LA.
Why?
Because of
Why would you give
reality.
me? Why would you not give me a 10 or at least a 9?
Because you're not that cute. You're not that cute. I
Okay.
mean, you're probably a solid 5'6".
Damn, you just dragged
It's
me.
not dragging you, man. Okay, if you are an LA 9.5 or better, you
Hmm.
would not be here talking about you want a man like that. You'd have them lined up,
I do have them lined up,
not to
but they
fuck.
all got something wrong.
Yeah,
Like they all have something wrong. Like they either
right.
got
So you got
kids,
So you got
they
all
got
these. So you got all these 30. You're
no.
not. You're
Okay.
not. You're not a 9. You're not almost a 10, man. I would give you between 5 and a 6. You're average to cute. That's
Hmm.
not an insult. But you're not up there with Kelly, Rowland, Beyonce, and Rihanna. That's not what it is.
Okay.
I mean,
So it takes
is
the
that what
Kelly
I
Rowland
want to
Rihanna.
say? I want to be honest. Let's say at their and how old are you again? 26.
Hmm.
So if I put the 26-year-old Kelly Rowland, 26-year-old Beyonce, 26-year-old Rihanna, and 26-year-old you, they'd say all these women are in the same range.
Hmm.
They'd say you all look in the same range.
I
They
mean,
put
they
you.
all have
They
on
put.
makeup.
They
They
no no
have
no
their
no
hair
no. They'd
done.
have you. No no
They
no
have nails.
I
All
said
that.
fresh face out of the shower. They'd put you on Cosmopolitan and Glamour and all the other stuff too, right?
I mean, they're not on the same. They're not doing that
Ma'am,
either.
I'm just asking. Have you been in a? Do you model professionally?
Not professionally, no.
Have
I'm
you
not.
ever been on the? Have you ever been approached to be on the cover? Ford models. Have you ever had anybody approach you to be on the cover of a national publication for women's beauty?
I have been offered to be a model, but I did not
I
turn
know.
it down.
I got a specific question. On the cover of a magazine dedicated for men's and women's beauty.
Wow. So okay.
Ma'am,
No, I
you
have
should,
not.
ma'am. Okay, see, the first thing I'm trying to get you to understand, you can
Hmm.
call yourself Barbie. You came in and saying you want a
No,
man
that's
who,
my.
okay, that's what it is. Well, but
Hmm.
here's the thing: you came in saying I want a man who's $400,000 or more.
I didn't say that's what I wanted. I'm saying
Well,
that's
that's
what
what your outcome. That's the
I've been
outcomes you
offered.
want. Okay,
I'm willing to move. You didn't even ask that.
you go. How about move your standard? Because you're not there. Because here's the reality, ma'am. You're in one of the most aggressive places for beauty.
Hmm.
So are you saying you're more attractive than Sweetie?
No, she's bomb. I love Sweetie.
She's a 6 and she's an adjustable 6. She's
Why
not
would
a
you say a
9.
6? Sweetie is
I said an
absolutely
adjustable 6. See, this is the problem. You ladies don't know how to rank yourselves. You're average to possibly cute. I mean, let's just keep on moving. Let's keep on moving. You're just not where you think you are. I mean,
okay.
you're not there. You're not up